Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Zipline kit for kids. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This Zipline kit has several pieces in it and it does require a little bit of assembly to put this all together, but I love that it is step by step and easy to follow. The main line diameter of the Zipline is 1/4 inch and it also has a 6.5 centimeter wide safety belt, as well as a 10mm swing seat rope and connection rope. I love that the connections are thickened and widened to help with protection as we are using this kit. This gives me peace of mind as a parent knowing that everything is securely fastened. The super strong galvanized stainless steel cable also has a breaking strength of up to 2,000 pounds. There's also a short cable with a length of 20 feet that we can wrap around a tree and reconnect the ratchet tightener, and then we can lock it with the buckle for double protection against slipping off. Plus, there is also a 6.3-foot spring brake with high elasticity and durability, maintaining a distance between the child and the tree as they are getting to the end of the zip line. This is such an amazing and fun backyard activity for the family, and if you are in the market for a fun and unique summer activity, whether for yourself or to give as a gift, this is definitely worth looking into.